If you could place any object on the surface of Mars purely to confuse NASA scientists, what would it be?
$200,000, a parachute, and the body of D.B. Cooper.
A NASA spacecraft, one that NASA has no record of. Like something they've never built, but that has NASA logos all over it, and clearly has a NASA origin, just not our NASA. The missing pieces of the Rosetta Stone.
Complete with a fourth as yet unknown language.
Or just wingdings. That would do it well. Comic Sans, Hello World.
A big map of Earth with several points of interest marked on it.
But it's got to be random-ass places. E.g. Gary, Indiana is circled 3 times with big stars around it.
Gary, Indiana isn't just a random place. That is where the portal to hell will open.
Is open. You mean is already open.
A picnic basket, blanket, food laid out with a note. Honey, I forgot the potato salad. I'll be back in 20 minutes. And for good measure, a 1953 Buick. To complete the scene, footprints that walk away and just disappear about 50 yards away.
Statue of Liberty half buried in the ground.
You maniac!
Damn you all to hell.
Get your hands off me, you damn dirty ape!
A monolith with a QR code to scan and rickroll.
Well played. Now we just need to wait for NASA to send a rover with speakers and watch them blast Rick Astley on the Red Planet.
Watching NASA get rickrolled on a live stream while billions watched would be the peak of humanity.
I'm a geologist, and I can confirm that just placing the wrong type of rock would fuck up science for like 30 years. I often pick up rocks that I know only occur in specific areas and leave them somewhere that would be naturally impossible in the hope that it will break a geochemist's mind when they find it.
Haha. I work at an airport and we have to collect samples of bird strikes on aircraft to send in for identification and tracking to the Smithsonian Ornithology Department. I really want to acquire some emperor penguin feathers for submission just to see what would happen. For reference, I live in the Northeast.
An exact copy of the Mars rover, or whatever they used to discover it.
That's actually a great premise for a sci-fi horror movie. The rover rolls up to the Mars base and they're about to let it in when they glance at the monitor and realize the real rover is a mile away. Beep, boop. The doppelganger says time to collect samples.
Taking notes.
Subscribe to the channel for more fascinating stories.